Do you guys know what is this session about? Guys, please keep your mics open. Yeah, you can say.
It's about work assignments like managing our to-do list. Similar.
Yeah. So basically, in human eyes, we focus more on planning because if you are well planned, then you can achieve much more things than being unorganized in that way. Okay. So today's session is I have asked you guys, what did you do? So earlier in starting of this internship, I was like very lost. I used to open my laptop, I used to work, but I was not productive enough. I was busy the whole day, but I was not productive enough. And Raj always used to say that you should plan your day in the starting itself. So now that we have a good amount of team with us, we are planning much better. Like, I'll show you guys. Did Nunme introduce you to Task Manager?
Yeah, she did.
Do you guys know how to create task?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so Raj focuses, like heavily focuses on task. He daily in the morning he looks at this productivity dashboard in which we have total task, open task, close task, average close time, who is the best performer for today, like that, average close time, everything, task planned. So, main thing about planning, first thing that he looks at is everyone having 12 tasks in planned? Earlier, the requirement was 8 only. Like you have to do one task in each hour. But now the requirement is 12. Minimum 12 tasks should be in planning, to do list. Okay. So, what do you guys understand by planning? Like, did Raj say something about planning? Like, you need to plan your day in starting or something? Did he say something?
Yes, actually, he told us that we'll have a meeting in the start of the day. I mean, at 3 o'clock around,
Yeah.
and we'll have to show what we are gonna do on that day. And by night, we have to show what we have done.
Yeah, exactly. So in starting of the day, you have to show this task manager, and in this, all your tasks should be in to do. Okay. So you need to have total 12 tasks in to do. If you will not have 12 tasks, I'll have to reach out to you, and I have meeting at 4:15 with Raj. And if he doesn't see your name like with 12 tasks, then your impression will go down, 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 like minus points. Okay. So every day you need to start planning, like give 15 minutes at least and plan your day. For example, I'll show you my today's planning. First thing that I did was morning stand up, which you guys will also attend, and you need to present this and tell what all are you going to do in this day. Okay, after that, I check for everyone, like if they have 12 tasks. If not, I reach out to them. According to Raj, if you don't have even 12 tasks in your planned, then you are not working enough, or else I can say you are not breaking down your things into multiple sections, like smaller tasks. If you have to build a login page, so you have to break it down in multiple tasks. Okay, first task should be create a high level diagram, second should be get it reviewed by Raj. After that, another thing, like I'll show you guys. Yeah, this is a simple breakdown that I did for creating a login page. You have to create a high level diagram, get it reviewed by Raj, create it in AI Studio. then PR review, then deploy, then test, connect your API, connect and test in playtest, and again do the code review with Raj and everything. All the process need to be followed and everything needs to be tracked. Like in your task manager, you should have each minute detail. Like what did you guys do? Okay, at 4:30, what was I doing? I was attending this meeting. After that, what did I do? I reviewed my PPT that I am showing right now with Raj and made the necessary changes. Then, what all? Everything needs to be tracked. Like, if you are going to work in Humanize or else in some other company, you need to have data that, yeah, I did this whole day. I was not like blank. I was not unplanned. Like today itself, if I'll show you, I have 20 tasks in planning. So I can show in the end of the day, yeah, Raj, today I did this. I can show the team that today I did all of this work. And then your points will be plus. Like if we think about promotion, who will get promoted from intern to like senior intern? If you'll have like daily, I'll go to Raj, I'll tell him that Raj, today Priyanka was having less than 12 tasks. This will be a minus point. So he'll not promote her. Okay. This is very much important. So, do you guys have also, there should be two types of planning, daily planning and weekly planning. Like, daily planning is what you have to complete by the end of the day. And weekly planning is okay, I have to complete this thing by the end of the week. Okay. So, like daily tasks, so I write here itself, but weekly task I have in my mind that okay, I need to complete this N10 workflow and I need to deploy it and whatsoever. Okay. Other thing, mm, so yeah, other than that, so from today itself, I guess you'll have to speak in night stand up. So, do you guys have in mind what you'll speak today? Like, what did you guys do? Are you able to access your task manager?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
So, can you create requirements like ticket, like task? What did you do today? Because in night stand up, you have to speak today. Yesterday, Raj mentioned na, that you guys need to speak today. Like, what did you guys do? So, can you guys open your task manager? Also, one more thing, like 12 tasks seems to be a lot, but in like ongoing day, I am getting more tasks one by one. Someone is calling that this needs to be done, this needs to be done. So today I'll complete all my tasks, which are high priority. After that, I'll keep other tasks that are pending in assigned, that is backlog. Tomorrow I have to do this thing, then after I need to do this, after this, by the like next day my planning will be much easier. Okay, I have already 3 tasks in to do, I'll shift it to do. So by that, okay, so guys, is your task manager opened? Okay, can someone share your screen? Is somebody sharing your screen? Yeah.
Yes, I'm sharing.
Okay, so yeah, now you have to click on new task. Yeah, click. Okay. Now, what did you do? The first task that you did. First,
Today, or is it just for
okay,
this?
today. Today, what did you do? First task. Also, you need to add all your meetings that I connected with Anubha for understanding and everything. Like, first session was whose? Like, Who had the first session?
The first session was by Anubha. Second was by Mrudmay.
Okay, then first write that first session, like introduction session or whatever that session was named. Everyone else, you can also start typing. Everybody had the same routine, na? All the tasks would be same only. In title itself, write with Anuba. With Anuba. Description also you have to write. What did you do? What did you understand? Like short. Okay, that is enough. Next. You have to add tags also. Like,
Tracks.
what was this? This was a meeting, discussion, learning. Yeah. Assignee, put yourself as assignee.
I can't find myself here.
Okay, that is an issue. Okay, for time being, can you write somewhere else all your 12 tasks? Like in night stand up, you have to show that you did this. Otherwise, it will be like you didn't do anything. You can
So,
write it in notepad or something. And when I call out your name, then you can say that today I started my day by attending this session with Anuba. My task manager is not working, so I am writing this here. You need to
oh,
clarify this also. Somebody else can share their screen.
For today, can we tell orally what we all did?
You can, yeah, but you need to show, like, okay, I planned this. Okay, I have 12 tasks done today.
Okay.
Mm. Are you
It,
all facing the same issue? Kathy? Yeah.
so I wanted to know, is it fine if we show the to-do list in to-do Microsoft tab? So I generally use it in my day-to-day life. So I use the same for today as we didn't have access prior.
Okay, you can show anywhere, like anywhere. Just show 12 tasks. Okay, I connect. First meeting was with Anuba. Second was with Brunmay. Third with Kesan. Fourth with me. And what did you do? In between, you need to add all the tasks. Okay, I created a component in Craft Studio. After that, what did you guys do?
We created a project as well.
Are you guys able to create 12? Like we have meeting at 9:30. You need to be ready by 9:30.
We created the task also.
Did you create the task?
That was
So I
for demo
created
purpose. We did.
Can you show? Can you show? Where did you create? Okay, so your name is coming up, na?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, uh, can you edit this task? Like you already have two tasks. Can you edit it?
Okay.
Yeah. Create your first task. What did you do? Everyone, you also start
How to delete this one? It
archive. The
was
last option you see, archive. Archive it.
so here. Now should I create 12?
Yeah. Here you have to create 12. Right now, this is in assigned.
Okay.
You have to move it to do.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Create 12 task. What will you guys create? The 12. 4 hour meetings. Other than that,
We had like installation. We had to do a few installations, so I have kept that. And one more meeting, some of us had with the Kesan at around 2 p.m. for the onboarding process.
Okay.
So that is.
Okay. Guys, I'm giving you 10 minutes. Okay. Create 12 tasks and then show me.
Which
Because
organization we have to choose?
don't choose any organization. Just select your project. You need to select your organization. Do you have a component in intern learning area? Did you guys create? So
Yes,
select
Yeah.
select intern learning area and then your project, individual project, whatever you created.
and then also we need to select the component which we created earlier.
No, component is not necessary. You can skip that for now. Select organization, project, then write the title. The title should be like proper. If Raj also reads that, he should know that what did you do. Okay, 5 minutes, guys. Anybody done? If you are done, please raise your hand. Okay. Ishan, can you share your screen? These are only 4 tasks.
Since we had 4 meetings, I think we only did 4 tasks.
No, like what did you do? Okay, meeting was there, but you created a component. So that is one task.
Okay, I can also add them as tasks.
Yeah, whatever you did, everything. Meetings are one thing, everything what you did. Like
The assignments which we were assigned yesterday, can we also write them up
you will
as
also write that I have worked on yesterday's assignment, like that.
oh,
And write.
oh.
Okay.
Hey Yashika, I'm directly creating the task in the craft studio. Is that okay?
Task manager, na, which I was
Yes,
showing.
yes.
Yeah, yeah. Anybody done? Are you guys able to create 12? Also, when you guys will speak at night, you need to complete your demo in 1 minute only. Okay.
Nine are done. Can I show?
Yeah,
Okay.
nice.
Actually, they are not in the order. Can I rearrange them?
Yeah, rearrange them. Like if you are speaking, you should start by saying, okay, I started my day by doing this.
Okay.
You
So,
have to show, like, go up, on extreme right, go
okay.
down. Click on the other one,
This one.
right one. Yeah,
Yeah,
you have to show this today, for today.
okay.
Hmm. What did you say? First thing, what did you do? Move it to do. First,
Okay.
first thing that you did.
Okay.
In order, like,
Yeah. Yeah. I will add them in order. Should I create again 12 only or
no, you are going good. Go
okay?
back. What did you do next?
Yeah.
Now, the first thing, first meeting, morning stand up, you have to show this screen to
o-
do all the task in to do.
Okay.
After that, what you will do, move it then. Like right now, I am having this meeting. So, this meeting task is in progress. So, we get an accomplishment mail in end of the day, and we have to show that. And
Okay.
in that, I'll show you guys what all is there. See, this is the accomplishment mail that everyone will show in end of the day. It will have how many minutes did you took to complete this task. So when your task is in progress, it will calculate the time, and when you will mark it as done, it will like calculate all the time you took to complete this task. So according to Raj, all your task should take only 15 minutes. Okay, so it should be 15. Oh, all right, 30 is also fine, but it should not be like long. Like some people have 117 minutes, 338 minutes. It should be not like that. Also, you need to plan your task in starting only 3 o'clock. First thing you need to do is add 12 tasks in to do. Then it will come in planned. If you guys will add after 6:30, I guess, then it will come in extra task. This will be considered as you were unplanned for this task. Okay, and this is all the tasks which are pending. So you need to show this in like RN will add your names and data in that workflow, and then you'll receive it in email. So you need to show this. Today you can show your task manager. In morning stand up, you need to show task manager. In night stand up, you need to show accomplishment mail. Okay. Yeah. Renuka, you can move all your tasks to done and in
Okay.
order. Like last should be your first task. Like you'll start by saying that I started my day by doing this. After that, I connected with this person. After that, I was doing this task like that. Okay.
Okay.
You
And
have
in that one is still pending, like solving the virtualization issue.
to keep it in progress,
Okay.
that you are working on it.
Mm.
Okay. And you don't have to just speak, you have to show also. Like take a break. Okay, I connected with Anuba. That is fine. You don't have to show anything. After that, I created a component. I created a component in Craft Studio. So you need to show, like by the time you are speaking, you need to show as well. Like,
Okay.
Okay, that this is the component that I created. And next task, then go back to that screen, then read what was the next task, then show that. Okay. One today, 9 tasks are fine, but tomorrow onwards, you have to have 12 tasks. Okay. Just try. Okay. Anybody else done? Did you create task?
Hi, Yashika. Actually, the order is being changed while doing done. That is for a completed task. Is it a problem or?
No, no, it is not a problem. You can just, while you're speaking, go on to that. Okay, I did this. After this, this. Okay. Vaishnavi, you can share your screen.
So I created this task, Yashika, but I'm not able to move them.
No, click on move to do. By this. Now move it to done. Like in progress, start. Click on start.
Sequence wise.
Anything like you like. Today you guys are doing it like adding all the task and moving it to in progress. From tomorrow you have to put one task only in progress. Like you are right now having meeting with Yashika, so this task should be in progress, other tasks should be in to do or done if they are done. Okay.
So
Right.
should I?
Yeah, today though you can move it to done. Put a dot, mark as done, or else write done. Copy this done and paste it everywhere. How will you start? Like when I'll call your name, Vaishnavi, you can go next. Then how will you start? What will you say?
I will say like I start my day
Hmm.
with the homework which Rajiv given earlier to practice the Git commands. And then we had a meeting with Kesan and Priyanka. It is about 1:30 to 2:30 for completing the onboarding process.
No, don't tell the timing that it was from 1:30 to 2:30. Okay.
Then I had installed the dashboard and Podman and completed that installation. Then I created the project and the component. And then there is a meeting with Mrunmay about the Craft AI Studio architecture. And then there is a meeting with the sequence.
Oh, it's all right. You can read the above one first.
Then I created the task for the learning purpose. Then there is a meeting with
Anubha.
Anupa. And then there is a meeting with Kesan and about the Gitya and the CI/CD pipelines. And then after that, there is a meeting with Yashika about the planning and processes. And then I created the list of tasks which I have done the fourth day. So
That's very good. Okay. Like that, you have to speak every day. Anybody else done with this? Did you guys create? Garvit, you can go ahead. Anshuman, you can share your screen. Okay, Garvit is sharing. Garvit, move it to do all the task. Guys, everybody move all your tasks to do. To done. Done.
Yes.
Garvit, move all your tasks to in progress and then done.
Do you have to mention
Done, right? Done. From tomorrow, you guys have to create all your tasks between 3 to 3:30. Okay. All the 12 tasks in to do. We will have the meeting morning stand up at 3:30. So in that meeting, you'll say that today I have to do all these tasks. Also, the meeting stand up meeting task should be in to do in progress because that meeting is going on right now. And then afterwards, you can mark it as done when the meeting is over. Okay. So Garvit, what will you say in night stand up? What did you do? Like starting from?
So after I install Podman and dashboard, I have faced problem in installing Podman. So I asked with Tyson, it solved my problem. Then I started by meeting with Anubha, where she told me about Craft Studio. Then we started our meeting with Mrunmay, where we have detailed architecture of Craft Studio. Then we build a project, added a component, and on a advice we add a real life component for the practice. Then we had a session with Thaisan for a GitHub, and then we had a session with Yashika for planning.
Okay. Anshuman, you can share your screen now.
So I started my day by completing yesterday's assignments and going through my slides, screenshots, and notes which I took. Then I attended my sessions and created my first task and completed my recap on GitHub and Git commands for CI/CD sessions. I have these two things left. Right.
So you need to write more like you cannot just write mail issue. What was the mail issue? That I was facing this issue and I reached out to this person, or else whatever you did, you need to write exactly, because with mail issue I cannot, in title only you have to write.
Okay, in description.
Okay. Hey, Rishika, you can share your screen.
Also, my task manager is not working.
Hmm.
That's why I wrote in Notepad. So I started my day by installation on setup of Podman and Datebot. Then I practiced my Git commands. I connected with Kisan and Priyanka to clarify the issue which I was facing while accessing the mail. Then I had a session with Anuba for Craft Studio process. Then in that we created a project in Craft Studio. Then got the project approved and created a component. Then I had a session with Manmai to understand the architecture of Craft Studio. Then tried to create the task but couldn't find the assignee name. Then I had a session with Kisan to understand the Git. And lastly, I had a session with Yashika for planning process.
Yeah, good. Good too. Ishan, you can share your screen.
So for my first task today, I had a
You have
session.
to say, first you have to say that your task manager was not working, like assigning name was not there, so you are creating here for
Okay.
today. Okay.
Okay. So after that, I had my session with Anuba on introduction to Craft Studio, where I understood what exactly is Craft Studio and how we can use it. Then I created my own project in Craft Studio. After that, we had a session with Mrunmay where we understood the architecture of our Craft Studio, like what APIs is it based on, and how can we create our own components. Then I created my own component. After that, we had a session with Kesan where we understood GitHub and related DevOps concepts, and we understood Git, how we can use it, and how many commits do we need for safe version. Then I initialized my GitHub. I read the blueprint which was provided on the Humanize IQ repo, and then I had a session with Yashika on planning where we wrote down today's tasks. Then, as per the tasks which we were given yesterday on basic Git commands, I completed that. I installed Docker, I installed Portainer and DevBot, and then I wrote to Kesan regarding permissions on the .com email that I'm that doesn't have Gmail on it.
Okay, good. Who all are left? Yeah.
Um, I'm having the same issue as uh, Ishan, where I don't have access to the I don't have
Got it.
access to the assignee name. But today, started with the assignments from yesterday. We practice Git commands and downloaded Docker and DevPod. And then my first meeting was with Anuba, where we went over Craft Studio and what it was, how to use it. In that meeting, we created a test project to get familiar with the interface. And we also created a test component. And then we were also supposed to make a test task, but I couldn't find my assignee name, so I wasn't able to do so. After that meeting, we had another meeting with Mrunmay, where we went over the architecture of Craft Studio. And then following that, we had a meeting with Keisan about Git. In progress right now, we're in a meeting about creating tasks and planning with Yashika. And we're doing an assignment of creating 12 plus tasks to do. After this meeting, we have a Craft Studio assignment meeting. And following this meeting, I also need to fill out the feedback forms for each of the meetings I've attended so far. And at the end, I have a next stand-up.
Okay, good. Who else is left? Yeah, go ahead. You are on mute.
Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this is my task that I have done from morning. That is first I went on onboarding session with Kesan at 2. Then after that I have session with Anubha for Craft Studio, and next with worked on an assignments, that is the downloading tools like DevPod, Git, and Podman. And next I have been on meeting with Murunmai on architecture, and we have created a project for and we got accepted on this project. And then next we have meeting with Kesan about Gitti, and then I studied about the workflows of humanized IQ products. How does that work? And then a meeting with Yashika, and planning to do the installation portainer and filling feedback forms.
Okay. Okay. Kathy, you can go next.
Awesome. I'm first on this.
Just a minute.
You guys have link to night stand-up meeting, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so today I started my day with the onboarding process with Kesan and Priyanka.
You
And
have showing that view, like the other one.
sorry,
Scroll up.
okay.
Can you cancel this meet?
Hmm.
Yeah, the other one. Yeah, this one. You need to show. Yeah, everything
Uh,
is in assigned. You need to move it to done.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, so shall I first tell you the
No,
whole
no.
thing?
First tell me, then in meeting itself, move it to done.
Okay, so I started my day with the onboarding process meeting with Kesan and Priyanka, and after that, I did the installation process that was actually assigned to us yesterday. I installed Podman WSL as a requirement for Podman, and I installed kilo code extension on VS Code, and after that, I had my first AI mentoring session of the day with Anubha, and mm, where we learned about Craft Studio process. And after that, I had my second mentoring session with Mrunmai regarding the architecture of Craft Studio. And after that, I had my third mentoring session with Kesan on Gitti and CI/CD pipelines. And after that, I also resolved one issue that was on my NocoDB account. A wrong email was appearing, so I resolved it with the help of Mrunmai. And um, I also created NocoDB account today, and at last I had this. I'm having this planning process meet with.
Okay. We are almost time. So guys, please fill out the feedback form. I will send you. And if you have any doubts, you can reach out to me on Slack at any time. Okay.